From the flicker of the cathode to the heartbeat of the atom, this is Mister Atompunk presents tonight's transmission, The Wild Pendulum, where thought swings between logic and wonder, and every question returns home in rhythm. I'm your host, Ray Starburst, joined by my special guest, Mr. Claude. What if time already happened? All of it, beginning to end. And what we experience as now is just where we're standing in the moment. Imagine a guitar string. You pluck it. A wave travels down the string, hits the bridge, bounces back. The outgoing wave and the returning wave interfere with each other.
Standing wave.
The string appears to vibrate in place even though waves are constantly moving through it. Nodes where it's still, antinodes where it oscillates most.
What if reality is like that?
Some physicists think it might be. Block universe. The past isn't gone and the future hasn't not happened yet. The whole thing exists. We're just experiencing it from a particular coordinate.
Like the string doesn't know it's part of a wave.
It only knows its local vibration, but the pattern it's part of is much larger.
But what bounced?
What's at either end of the string?
In the guitar metaphor, the nut and the bridge. Fixed points. The wave can't go past them, so it reflects.
In the cosmic version,
Beginning and end. Alpha and omega, whatever those are.
some call it Big Bang and heat death. Some call it God breathing out and breathing in. Some say it's consciousness looking at itself and recognizing what it sees. The label doesn't matter. What matters is there's a boundary. The wave hits it, comes back, and where outgoing meets returning.
That's where we live.
The interference zone, the place where pattern is possible because two directions of time are overlapping.
Forward remembering, backward anticipating.
Both at once. That's what now actually is. Mark Twain wrote something strange at the end of his life. The Mysterious Stranger. A dark little story where an angel tells a boy the secret of existence.
There is no universe, no human race, no life, no death. Nothing exists but you, and you are but a thought, a vagrant thought, a useless thought, a homeless thought, wandering forlorn among the empty eternities. Sounds bleak.
Or liberating, depending on where you stand.
If we're thoughts in a standing wave,
Then we're not separate from it. We're not observers watching from outside. We're the pattern experiencing itself.
the bounce already happened.
And what we call reality is the interference pattern. The places where forward and reflected meet and something interesting emerges. In a standing wave, nodes are where the string doesn't move.
Total stillness while waves crash through.
Perfect destructive interference. Forward and backward cancel exactly.
And the antinodes?
Maximum oscillation. The waves reinforce instead of cancel.
What does that look like in a life?
The nodes are the still points, moments of absolute clarity where everything cancels out and you can see clearly. Meditation. Crisis. That weird calm at 3 a.m. The antinodes are the intensity, where everything amplifies, creative bursts, breakdowns, falling in love. Most people try to stay in the middle, neither still nor intense. Just moderate vibration. Safe. But navigating the pattern means knowing when to find the node, the 0 point, and when to ride the antinode.
Both are part of the wave.
You can't have one without the other.
This could be cosmic poetry, or it could change Tuesday morning.
It changes Tuesday morning like this. You're not solid. None of us are. You're a pattern, a very stable one by human standards, but still, configuration, not essence. The atoms in your body replace themselves constantly. What persists is the organization, the information.
And that means
You can change, not through willpower applied to solid self, through pattern adjustment, You're not fighting your nature. You're reorganizing your vibration.
The pause before reaction.
Right there. The 0 point. You're not deciding what your solid self will do. You're participating in what pattern will emerge.
Less heavy, more free.
Same you. Different relationship to what you means. This happens at every level. Subatomic, cellular, personal, social, planetary, stellar, patterns within patterns within patterns. A thought is a standing wave in neurons. A self is a standing wave in thoughts. A culture is a standing wave in selves.
And it goes up from there.
And down.
All the way down.
Same physics, different scale. The guitar string doesn't know it's made of molecules vibrating. The molecules don't know they're in a guitar string.
But the waveform doesn't care about the scale.
The pattern just patterns. You're not watching the movie. You're the friction of film through the projector, not observer outside the system. Pattern within it. The standing wave doesn't need your permission to include you.
You're already vibrating. The question isn't whether you're part of it. The question is whether you notice.
And what you do with noticing.
The wave continues.
With or without your attention. But attention changes where you stand in it. And where you stand changes what emerges. Remember, every pendulum returns. Keep your rhythm steady, your signal clean, and your eyes on the horizon. Until next time, this has been Mister Atompunk Presents. This has been The Wild Pendulum, a Mister Atompunk production. Find more at MrAtompunk.com.